Hello automotive enthusiast. Tesla Model 2 preview, how the affordable 2026 compact disrupts the European market. The future of affordable electric mobility is no longer coming, it's arriving fast, and it might completely reshape Europe's streets. The 2026 Tesla Model 2 isn't trying to be a smaller Model 3. It's aiming to become the new benchmark for urban EV dominance. And honestly, that changes everything. Picture this. A compact electric hatchback sliding silently through narrow European streets, wrapped in a sleek aerodynamic body that looks more premium than its price tag should allow. But underneath that minimalist shell is where the real revolution begins. Tesla is reportedly using next-generation structural battery technology combined with its radical unboxed manufacturing process, a production system designed to cut complexity, reduce weight, and slash manufacturing costs at a scale the traditional industry still struggles to match. This isn't just engineering. It's industrial warfare. And suddenly, cars like the Volkswagen ID.3, Renault Megane E-Tech, and even future compact Audi EVs have a serious problem. Because Tesla isn't only chasing affordability. It's chasing efficiency. Every curve on the Model 2 appears designed to maximize range, airflow, and real-world city usability. Early expectations suggest nearly 400 kilometers of range in a compact footprint built specifically for dense urban environments across Europe and major American cities. But here's where things get interesting. Tesla's minimalist interior philosophy could become either its biggest strength or its biggest weakness. The single-screen cockpit, simplified controls, and software-first experience feel futuristic today. But in a market where European buyers still value tactile luxury and refined ergonomics, the Model 2 has to prove it can feel premium without feeling cheap. And that's the real battle. Not horsepower. Not top speed. But whether Tesla can deliver a genuinely desirable EV for the masses while maintaining the tech-focused identity that made the brand iconic in the first place. Because if Tesla gets this right, the Model 2 won't just compete with compact EVs. It could become the car that forces the entire European auto industry into a completely new era of pricing, manufacturing, and electric mobility design. The affordable EV war is officially beginning, and Tesla just fired the first shot.